Good morning, children. Today we start online class for class 10th. In this class, we are going to discuss what is boiling. What is boiling? You know what is boiling. If we want to cook rice, we need to boil them. If we want to heat the water, we need to boil them. You know up to that much. But you don't know what is boiling in clear. See, definition of boiling is definition. Boiling is the process. Boiling is the process in which liquid phase changes into gaseous phase at a constant temperature. See, children, this was the definition regarding boiling. See, boiling is the process. Process, you know, one particular procedure. Process means procedure in which liquid phase. Before you going to know liquid phase, next gaseous phase, you should know what is state of matter. States of matter, you know that. I think you may learned in the previous classes states of matter. States means not Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh. States means the phases. See, how many states of matters are there in our universe? One is solid. Second one, liquid. Third one, gaseous or gas. Understand, children? Mainly these three. One more is there, but mainly these three: solid, liquid, and gases. See, in some particular specific times, these may changes into one form to another form. Solid may change into liquid, liquid may change into gas. So how, sir? Simply take ice cubes. See, this is a small ice cube. Right now, what was the form of the ice cube? Was it in solid, liquid, or gas? Solid form. This ice cube was in solid form right now. When you take the ice cube and when you heat it on the stove, what will happen? When you heat the ice cube, suddenly it turns into liquid phase. Understand, children? By observing the heat energy, this ice cube melts, then it converts into liquid. Understand, children? Again, if you supply more heat energy, more and heat energy to this liquid, then it may turn into gas. You might know that when you are feeling cool at winter season, you want to take bath. Which bath? Hot or cold? You need to take hot water. Your mother will say to you like this: today the weather is very cool. You need to take hot water. Then your mother keeps on the stove and your mother heats water. After some time, you may observe some vapors are coming from the liquid. Some vapors are coming out of the liquid. This is nothing but the gaseous state. If you further heat up to 1 hour or 2 hours, the water level decreases slowly. Why the water level decreases? Because all the water which is in liquid state is continuously evaporating and it is converting into gaseous phase. Understand, children? Again, if you heat this gaseous phase, means not heating, if you cool this gaseous phase, again it converts into rain. You know why the rain is coming for us? because whatever the gas is condensed with the cooling nature in the atmosphere, it condenses and saturates and rain comes. You know that what is condensation. You have to know that. If you want to know how the rain comes means you need to know what is condensation. Understand, children? Like this, every phase is converting in from one to another. Here also, boiling is the phase. Boiling is the process. Process means procedure. Procedure. What is the procedure? If you want to go to 10th class, you want to study 10th class, you need to start from LKG, UKG, first class, second class. This was the procedure. Understand, children? In which the liquid phase, you know what is liquid? That is one kind of state of matter. Liquid. Phase means what? State or condition. From liquid condition or liquid phase to state to changes into gaseous phase. Phase means again state at a constant temperature. Here he is saying, not saying at any temperature, he is saying constant temperature. What is constant? Fixed temperature. Constant means fixed temperature. Constant means fixed temperature. Fixed temperature. What's a fixed temperature? See, you need to come to school by 8:35 sharp. Your teacher may say like this. Tomorrow you need to come by time, by 8:35 am sharply. Your teacher may notice you like this. Means here fixed. He has to come for the fixed time like this. Here also, this boiling, whole the boiling process converts from liquid phase to gaseous phase at only constant temperature. How, sir? I will say example. See, you take a beaker for this and pour water in this beaker and give some heat energy to this water. While giving initially at the first time heat, the water rises into gas. Understand, children? You pour the water in the beaker. Suddenly you lit the flame. Suddenly the water converts into gaseous phase? No. It takes some time. What time, sir? It takes 100 degrees Celsius temperature. 100 degrees Celsius. If it reach 100 degrees Celsius, then the flames are coming. Then flames are coming like this. If it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, until reaching to 100 degrees Celsius, it never gives flames effect. It slowly raises its temperature. Understand, children? Previously, the water in the beaker was normal temperature. Normal temperature. When you given a flame like this was the flame, means you are giving heat energy to this water. Normally the temperature of water is 0. You think like this. Okay, you need to think like this. Then slowly it is increasing 2 degrees, 5 degrees, 10 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 50 degrees. If it increasing like this, it also needs time. Understand, children? You will know this. If you want to take hot water bath, you need to wait for 10 or 15 minutes. Maximum 10 minutes. Why? Because the water has to be heated. Understand, children? Here also, the water reaches to 100 degrees Celsius. If it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, then the action starts. What actions are? Slowly the flame, the vapor changes. Vapor rises from the liquid. Means it is converting from liquid to gaseous. This is a gaseous phase and this is the liquid phase. Understand, children? Whatever the gas coming out of the liquid will go to the atmospheric pressure and it combines with that. Understand? This was the concept, children. We will discuss the regarding boiling activity in the next class, children.